Happy Sunday, ẹ̀yin olólùfẹ́ mi o. Lára àwọn olùgbọ́ mi tó wà lórí kíní ni wọ́n fi mẹ́sẹ̀gì sílẹ̀ fún mi nínú WhatsApp kíní pé ká dákun ká gba àwọn nímọ̀ràn. Òyìnbó ló fi sílẹ̀ pàápàá, màá máa tú lóyìnbó àti ní Yorùbá. Ó ní good evening my sis. I don't know what to do with this secret. Ó ní àwọn wà angry, àwọn dẹ̀ ti wà heartbroken and scared. So there is this my neighbor's wife who always come to hang out with me. Or is it bóyá ọkọ àwọn ṣá? Anytime my husband close from work and sees her, next thing he will call me inside and start asking me what we are discussing, that he doesn't like seeing me with the woman. I asked him why, but instead he will get upset, so I gave her space. So on Tuesday, my hubby's aunt decided to drop by our house because she arrived late from village market and her house is far from town. When she saw my neighbor's son, she greeted him by my son's name. Ó fi orúkọ ọmọ sister tiwa yìí, ó fi pe ọmọ neighbor wọn, thinking is my son. They both same age, but my son is 2 months older. When I immediately corrected my sister-in-law that it's not my son, she looked at me with shock. Then this woman quickly excused herself and go. Later, she and my husband were talking in low tones in the night around 2 a.m. I tried my best to hear their conversation, but I couldn't. That's when something occurred to my mind. Next morning, after she left and my husband went to work, I went to this woman's house with my phone on record. I called her out to my house and sat her down. Then I told her that yesterday my husband confessed something to her aunt and me concerning her son, but I don't want to believe. I want to hear from her, or I will tell her husband and we will go for DNA for proof. This woman started shaking like leaf. Hey, honey, she long be a will. She then told me that yes, it's true, that my husband is the biological father of her son, that she had 3 girls, and the husband and people were afraid, for her that, they need a male child. And seeing that my husband has 2 sons, she decided to agree to his request for friendship. Yeah. But when she took in, and this scan at 6 months, and it shows she's carrying a boy, her husband changed and started treating her like a queen. All his family people too become happy with her, that I should have mercy on her and not say a word. She's begging me in the name of God. She cried a lot, and I told her to go. I sent the voice recorder to my husband and my youngest brother as evidence. Torí pé ìjáfara léwu, just in case tán bá lọ fẹ́ lọ ṣe nǹkan kan fún sister yìí. Since then, my husband has become very scared and humble. We haven't even discussed it yet, but it's weighing me down. Her husband is my husband's so-called best friend. This woman and I go to the same church. We are both in Christian Mothers Fellowship. Ẹ dákun, ẹ̀yin olólùfẹ́ Alesian, ẹ gbà mí nímọ̀ràn kí ni kí n ṣe? Torí pé ẹ̀rù ń bà mí, mi ò mọ ohun tọ́kọ mi lè ṣe. Ìyẹn sísítà yìí ni wọ́n sọ bẹ́ẹ̀ o. Wọ́n ní ká gbà wọ́n nímọ̀ràn. Ẹ dákun, ẹ jẹ́ á gba sísítà yìí nímọ̀ràn. Kí ni kí sísítà yìí ṣe? Ẹ ṣeun o, ẹ̀yin olólùfẹ́ mi. Ojú tẹ́ fi ń wò mí ò ní fọ́, etí tẹ́ fi ń gbọ́ mi ò ní di o. Ẹ máa bá mi máa pín kíní káàkiri káwọn èèyàn míì náà kán lè gbọ́, kán lè kọ́gbọ́n nú ẹ̀. Ẹ ṣeun o, àárọ̀ ajé jẹun o. Bye for now.